Over 4.5 billion years ago, everything began with a massive cloud of dust and gas drifting through space. Gravity pulled the cloud together, forming a spinning disk, and at its center, the site. Tiny particles collided, merged, and grew, slowly building the foundations of a plane. Heavy metals sank to the core, while lighter rocks rose, creating Earth's inner layers. A colossal impact shattered the sky, forming the moon from Earth's own debris.
As Earth cooled, rain filled the oceans, and life quietly began its journey. Before the Cambrian, life on Earth was simple, soft-bodied, and limited in diversity. Then, around 540 million years ago, life suddenly accelerated. An event called the Cats. Hard shells and skeletons evolved, allowing these creatures to be preserved as fossils.
Some Cambrian animals looked alien, complex, powerful, yet unlike anything alive today. Among them were the first vertebrate relatives, early ancestors of all fish and humans. As evolution continued, fishes grew larger, some becoming ocean giants. Extinctions reshaped life, but trilobites survived, spreading across the ancient seas.
The Cambrian Explosion laid the foundation for all complex life on Earth.
Photosynthesis slowly released oxygen into the atmosphere.
This oxygen formed an ozone layer, shielding life from the sun's radiation.
Life could now survive beyond the oceans.
Simple prokaryotes were the first to colonize land.
This happened long before complex cells even existed. They evolved to survive outside water.
For millions of years, land remained lifeless and silent.
A supercontinent called Pannotia formed, and quickly broke apart again. Plants began as simple algae near water.
They slowly moved onto land. Fungi followed, helping recycle nutrients.
Land was no longer completely barren.
New ecosystems began to form.
The first animals to walk on land were arthropods. Plants provided a massive new food source. They adapted to breathe and survive on land. Life on land was now unstoppable. A new chapter of evolution had begun. Over millions of years, life transformed the planet. From microbes to complex ecosystems. All life traces back to these first steps. Every living thing on land began in the sea.
At the end of the Ordovician, global cooling triggered massive extinctions.
Some fish survived in shallow, oxygen-poor waters.
Over time, fins slowly evolved into weight-bearing limbs. The first tetrapods could breathe air and lift themselves above water. They ventured onto land, but only for short moments.
This marked the origin of amphibians.
Another extinction reshaped life once again.
Plants evolved seeds, allowing rapid spread across continents.
The amniotic egg allowed embryos to survive on land.
This separated amniotes from amphibians.
Two major lineages emerged, one leading to mammals, the other to reptiles and birds. Then came the greatest extinction Earth had ever seen.
From the aftermath, dinosaurs emerged.
They soon became the dominant land vertebrates.
Mammals existed, but stayed small and hidden.
One dinosaur lineage took to the air. Flowering plants appeared, transforming ecosystems. From water to land, life reshaped the planet forever.